Alright guys, so we're here at the Terminal 3 yan, of the Changi Airport, the best airport in the world. And we're gonna go here. Jewel. That's the Crown Plaza. Okay. So let's go here. So I still remember guys, dito sa Singapore, ito yung pinaka last naging work ko sa Terminal 3. Kaya masarap siyang balik-balikan. Tatlo yung mga naging workplace ko sa Singapore. Hindi, apat pala. In 4 years, apat yung mga working locations ko dito sa Singapore. Yung pinaka-una ay sa Suntec City. Ayan. Pangalawang location ng work ko sa Ion Orchard. Ayan, tama, Ion Orchard. After that, Terminal 3. Tapos, pinaka-last ko na yung sa... Saan nga ba yun? Sa... Aljunied area. Shoutout Ate Juliet. Doon tayo nagkasama, di ba? So, yun. Yun yung mga workplaces ko sa Singapore for 4 years. 4 different work locations. Yan. And so, yan. Hindi nakakasawang pasyalan ng Singapore. Ayan po. So, alam mo ba dati, mas mayaman pa ang Philippines sa Singapore. Pero ngayon, di ba? Anyways, ganun talaga. Okay, so ito na yung way natin going to the Jewel. Kasi ang Singapore guys, mismong airport, tourist attraction na agad. Kaya I think until now siya pa rin yung unbeatable na number 1 airport in the world. Siya pa rin yung number 1. So talagang siya, the best of the best. So to the highest level of standard niya, no? As in first class. Pang first class. Ayan. So kaya naman isa sa magandang inspiration natin ng Singapore, how innovative and progressive this country. Siguro one factor syempre yung discipline lahat ng mga tao. Majority of people here, well syempre hindi naman natin nila lahat, diba? Pero majority of people in Singapore talaga very disciplined. Kaya pagka ikaw kabayan, no, pag napunta ka dito madidisiplina ka din eh. Kaya nga tawag sa kanya ay Fine City. Kasi wow, ganda oh. Lagi kang may fine pagka lumabag ka sa mga batas niya, diba? Ayan oh. Ganda ang tower. Right, nice. Tsaka one thing I like here, yung transportation nila talaga. The best yung transportation, very organized. So from here directly to the city, may mga train and bus going there. So yun. Okay, so later ulit, let's go to the Jewel. Okay. Alright, ayan. Yan yung Crown Plaza Hotel. Ayan tower, oh. And then ito yung the Jewel. Andyan yung may the biggest indoor falls, no? I think that's the biggest in the world. Yan, yung indoor falls. Tapos man-made. So, karamihan dito ng mga attractions ay man-made. Ganon ka-powerful. Ganon ka-galing ang mga tao, no? Ayan, so right. Well organized, sobrang linis. Yan ang Singapore, guys. Kaya magandang puntahan to get an inspiration. And ayan, the best. Thank you for tuning in. Vlogger yarn. Ayan. Ganda oh, well organized. Celebrating National Day. Very timely yung papunta natin dito dahil National Day ng Singapore. Birthday ni SG. Singapura. Singapura is Malay for Singapore. And right. So okay, let's go in. Okay. May mga 4 kids there. And let's see the other side. The other side, yeah, it's kids park. Okay. So that's the fountain. Oh, sorry, falls. Indoor falls. Ayan. Din Tao Fung, isa sa favorite ko rin kainan. Kaya tayo nagmumukhang ano na, nagmumukha na tayong Chinese. Mahilig tayo sa Chinese foods. Oh, there, you see that? Ayan, yan po yun. The Jewel. The largest indoor, how do you say that? Falls? Diba? Astig yan. Man-made lang to lahat, guys. Ganyan kalupit ang tao, no? That's how powerful. Nagawa yan, wala pang AI. Diba? Astig. Yan, lahat yan, man-made lang lahat yan. So, sino magkakalang nasa airport ka? No? Ganyan, no? Look at that. So, and as you can see, yan ay ano electric operated, no, na automatic siya. Yung monorail. Ayan guys, no, ayan, pwede kang mag-ikot-ikot dyan. So yun, ayan, no, tinan mo, no, sino magkakalang you are in the airport. So ganyan kaganda ang airport ng Singapore. Kaya masarap siyang balik-balikan. Masarap siya kuhanan ng inspiration for excellence. Inspiration for, you know, innovation. Kasi, you know, everything is possible if you believe, diba? So, kaya. Ayan, may nagpo-photoshoot doon. Ayan. Nagpo-photoshoot si ating. Ayan, there. O, ha?
Okay, let's go.
Ganda ng photoshoot ni ating, oh. Oh, alright. Ayan. The best, right? The best airport in the world. Galing, oh. Zoom natin. Yun, no? Ayan, pwede ka maglakad-lakad doon. Diba? Grabe. Ayan. So, this is the Jewel. Alright, guys. And because after lunch, I have a meeting. So, I think that's all for now. Around 2 p.m. I have a meeting in the city. And then also around 4 p.m. So guys, mga taga dyan lang ako naka-stay sa may malapit sa Chinatown. Mahilig ako sa Chinatown na. Ayan. So I'm near to Chinatown station also of the MRT. So kita-kits tayo guys sa lahat ng mga taga Singapore. Ayan, kita-kits po tayo. Nandyan lang po ako. Okay, until Wednesday I'm here. So kita-kits po. The best. Alright. Thank you guys. Bye bye. God bless everyone.